back to my channel. So today's video is definitely going to be a fun, interesting game, you guys. We're going to be doing the old wife's tale, and this is kind of a very nice game at predicting the gender of the baby. So I saw a couple of this video here on YouTube, and I really enjoyed it. So I was like, you know what, that's what I'm going to film today. So I have a board right here, as you all can see. I have a board and I demarcated it. We're going to have a boy on this section and a girl on this section, and also I have two different colors of marker. I have a pink and a blue. So I'm going to use the blue to write on this side, which is going to be the boy's side. Then I'm going to use the second marker to write on the other side of the board, which is going to be the girl's side. This right here, I'm not sure why it's not really showing, but let me make it thicker. Boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy. So we have a boy and a girl. This is my camera. I'm not sure if it's picking that up. I probably have to take it back because the closer you get it to the camera, you won't even see it. But I'm going to also try to display the scores on the screen, so it will be easier for you guys to also, you know, take note of the scores. All right, so I'm going to go through the questions. The very first question says, heart rate. If your baby's heart rate is above 140 mpm, it is said that you're having a girl. If it's under 140 mpm, then it's a boy. And I would say my very first appointment, my very first ultrasound, you guys, the baby's heart rate was really, really high. It was like boom, 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 boom. Hubby was like when we heard that, guys, you needed to see the surprise on hubby's face. Like, he was like looking at me and looking at the screen, looking at me and looking at the screen. Like the heart rate, it was so high, you guys, and it was 152. So it says if it's above 140, that is a girl, and if it's under 140, it's a boy. So definitely this right here is going for a girl. So we have one mark for a girl. And then the next question says shape of belly. If you're carrying high with a big round belly, you're having a girl. If you're carrying low with a smaller belly that sticks straight out, it's a boy. What do you guys think? So a round belly should be something like this, like it starts from right below your breast area and then goes down. For me, I feel like this is not a small belly, guys. So I'm not sure. It's kind of contradictory because my belly is definitely not small, but for some reason I feel like it's kind of sticking straight out. So yeah, I think this would go for a boy because it's like pointy. You know, it's not round, it's more like pointy. If you have acne while pregnant, it's a girl. It's thought that acne during pregnancy is caused by extra hormone, but if you're glowing, it's a boy. And you guys, a lot of you have been telling me that I've been glowing throughout this pregnancy, and to be honest, this is actually the best my skin have actually looked all like for years. This is the best I've actually had acne free on my face, and I just pray it continues after I have the baby. So I would say this point goes for a boy because my acne really went away. Like, they're not completely gone, but it subsided drastically. People believe that if you're craving salty foods while pregnant, you count on having a boy. If you crave sweet fruits and orange juices, you're having a little girl. I would say my very first trimester, I was indifferent. I wasn't craving nothing. I was just throwing up. It was just a mess, you guys. So, but my second and my third trimester, I've been craving for, excuse me, oh my gosh, I've been craving for a lot of ice cream, chocolate, all them sweet tooths. Like, I've been a sweet tooth girl throughout this second and third trimester. So I would say that goes for a girl. This is really interesting. Time of conception. The person that is most aggressive in bed at the time of conception is the opposite of what the baby will be. This is more like TMI, guys. Why is this question here? Like, why is this here? But we have to answer it, guys. I feel like I know the day we conceived this baby, and I was definitely on top. I was the aggressive one. So I would say that goes for a boy, because it says you have opposite of who is more aggressive. So that would definitely go for a boy. Since I'm a girl, I'm a woman. If your legs get really big, you're having a boy. If your legs stay in shape and lean, it's a girl. Mine is definitely very, very straight and lean. I still wear my high heels, and people, like, when you look at my feet, you won't even know I'm pregnant. Although sometimes when I don't walk around, like when I stay in one position, especially the way I'm staying right here, right, with my feet on the floor, not elevated, once I stay like this for maybe, I would say a couple of hours, maybe 2-3 hours, I will just start noticing my feet, like it starts getting very, very big, it starts getting swollen. So, but on a normal day, if I'm doing my regular walking around and doing my regular things, my feet is always very, very lean and small, and it just looks the same. So with this one right here, I would say it goes for a girl. A girl. This is becoming interesting because we have the same score, 3-3. 3 for boy, 3 for girl. If you're really moody, you're having a girl, since you have another extra girl hormone in you. Your pregnancy will make you smile and be more happy if you're having a boy, because there's a little penis inside you. This is a weird, like, this is the weirdest thing I've ever heard, you guys. So when you're more happy and you smile a lot, that means you have a little penis inside you. That is crazy. But I would say throughout this pregnancy, I've actually been so happy. I've just been, you know, very, very happy. The Chinese gender chart claims to have an accuracy rate of over 90%. It is based on how old the mother is at conception and the month that she conceived. I've actually heard a lot about this Chinese gender chart. Actually, a lot of women, some women, I would say some women actually kind of base their conception around their Chinese gender chart. I've heard a lot about that, where if you want to have a girl, you have to go to the Chinese gender chart, log in your age and I think the age and the month of conception, right? Yeah, the mother's age and the month of conception. So you log that in. Like, let's assume since we're in August now and you want to take in October, you want to go log in October and then your age as at October to predict what you're having, something like that. So let's go ahead. Let me go to Google, go to Chinese gender predictor, and then I'm going to put my age at the time of conception, and then the month of conception. See prediction. Let's see what they say. Okay, they said it's a girl. Congratulations. According to the legendary Chinese gender chart, you're having a baby girl. All right, so that is 1 point for a girl. Interesting. So boy is 4, girl is 4. Basically, you're having a girl if your beauty disappears during pregnancy. It is said that the girl steals the mother's beauty. Wow. If you think that pregnancy has never made you look more beautiful, a little boy it is. And a lot of you have been saying that I look so good. Even with me and already winding down, you guys still say I look good. So I would say that goes for a boy, because according to this, it's saying that girls steal their mother's beauty. If you have dreams that you're having a boy, you will have a girl. If you dream about a girl, you will have a boy. And I've actually heard this. My mother actually told me this, that when she was pregnant with me, she dreamt she was having a boy and she had a girl. When she was pregnant with my younger sister, she dreamt she was having a boy and she had a girl. When she was pregnant with my younger brother, she dreamt she was having a girl and she had a boy. So I guess it's always opposite, right? So I've been dreaming I'm having a boy. So definitely that is a girl. If a pregnant woman prefers to lay on the left side, she's having a boy. If she prefers resting on her right side, she's having a girl. So right is girl, left is boy. And for me, my best sleeping position is laying on my stomach. That's one thing I've actually missed throughout this pregnancy. I feel like I just miss laying on my stomach, you guys. With a pot belly like this, you can lay on your stomach. I would say the most comfortable I get whenever I'm sleeping is sleeping on my right. I just love sleeping on this side of, you know, the bed. So I would say that goes for a girl. Yeah. If the dad to be gains weight while you're pregnant, it's a girl. If he doesn't gain weight, it's a boy. My husband definitely gained weight, so that is a girl. If a pregnant woman's left breast is larger than the right, she's having a girl. The left, this is my left, okay. If a pregnant woman's left breast is larger than the right breast, she's having a girl. If the right breast is larger, it's a boy. Naturally, my right breast is slightly bigger than this one. But now that I'm pregnant, you guys, it's so obvious that this breast, like I was looking at them on the mirror today, and I was like, geez, like you can see a significant difference between the left breast and the right breast. So I would say for this one right here, it goes for a girl because the left is larger than the right. Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? 71% of the time, the mom-to-be knows what she's having. I'm not sure how accurate this is because you guys know I have 2 girls already. So, of course, I want a boy, and I'm not sure how accurate this one is, but I would definitely put it for a boy. If you had a smooth pregnancy with no morning sickness, it's a boy. If you were sick and felt really nauseous during your pregnancy, count on a girl. The first trimester was a mess, you guys. I had a lot of, I just felt like throwing up, but I never threw up. I just kept feeling nauseous, right? But then the headache was what the headache dealt with me. I was having a lot of headache. So even I threw up, you know, for the first trimester, but not as much as the twins. I was sick, I was nauseous and all those things. So I would say that goes for a girl. If your areola, the part around your nipple, have darkened, it's a boy. If they haven't, it's a girl. Mine is definitely the same color. There is no difference with the color it was before I got pregnant and the color it is right now. So that goes for a girl. Whoa, that is 10 points for a girl already. Chineke. Are your feet colder now that you're pregnant? If so, you just might be having a boy. If your feet have stayed the same before pregnancy and during, you're having a little girl. My feet, there's no difference. There's no difference at all, you guys. My feet has always been like this, you know. It's not colder, it's not warmer, it's nothing. It's just been like this. So that goes for a girl. Jesus Christ, that's 11 points for girl. Headache. If you're having headaches, you might be carrying a boy. Guys, this headache thing, it didn't allow me to rest though. The headache, it was too much. So that is definitely for a boy. It is said that when you think only of a specific name for a girl or a boy, you have that particular baby. So if you're thinking of a specific name, you're having that particular baby according to the old wives' tale. Okay, I would say probably because I already have 2 girls, right? I've been thinking of a boy name, so that's definitely 1 point for a boy. And then the last and final one says urine. What color is your pee? If it is a bright yellow, you will have a little boy. If your urine is a dull yellow, plan on a girl. I'm not sure how accurate this one is because throughout my pregnancy I've really been staying really hydrated, and you know, once you're used to being hydrated, like you drink lots of water, of course it's going to affect the color of your urine. So the more water you take, the more diluted your urine is going to look. So I'm not sure about this, but my urine have definitely been a very dull yellow, and that goes for a girl. Jesus Christ. All right, so drum roll please, you guys. Ooh, this is what we have here. So we have 8 for a boy, 12 for a girl. Interesting. We're definitely going to see how accurate this is at the end of the day, because you guys know you're definitely going to be notified whenever it happens. But yeah, I wanted to do this and see how accurate this old wife's gender prediction is going to be, and then at the end of the day we're going to find out, you guys. But yeah, like I said, I felt like this was kind of a fun game to play here on my channel, so I wanted to, you know, share it with you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and join this amazing fun family. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.